Hi, I'm Don Minges. Welcome to the Knowledge Institute. Let me describe two of the presentations I give that seem to be fairly popular. The first one is introverts, the power of introverts. Now, whether you see an introvert in the mirror, or you work with one, or you married one, or you have an introverted child, we're going to discuss all kinds of things that you need to learn about being an introvert and dealing with an introvert. So whether you are an introvert or are an extrovert, we talk about things that you can do to help you become more productive and more effective. How to communicate with them, how they can communicate with you. What are some proven tactics so that you can get the most out of them? Now, if you are the least bit introverted, I think you'll enjoy this, because one of the things we really hit hard is the superpowers. And yes, introverts do have some amazing superpowers. And a lot of the introverts walk out of the room going, hey, I've got an S on my chest. I didn't put it there, you had it all along. So if you're an extrovert, how do you deal with these creatures who just don't get us? I can't get through to them. We're going to talk about this from both perspectives so that each side can get along with each other. And then I don't care how introverted you are or how extroverted you are. There are times during every day when you're at one end, you go to the other end and back and forth. That's natural. That's human. So come listen about introverts. The second discussion we want to talk about, which is also a lot of fun, is what is the cost of capital? Now, it's a hardcore finance thing, but it's an easy thing for business owners to get. The cost of capital is excruciatingly and vitally important. Some of you probably have heard business leaders say, we want to get the biggest bang for the buck. Good. But unless they know what their cost of capital is, they have no clue. So we will explain, one, how to calculate it. There's arithmetic and math behind it. It's not that hard. If I can learn it, you can. So we talk about how to calculate the cost of capital, how to get it for your business. And every business has a different and somewhat unique cost of capital. But it's more important to me than just the math, just doing the citation and following the formula. The more important thing is, how do I use it effectively? And how is it misused? And yes, the cost of capital is misused in many businesses. So we talk about how to do that, which I think is infinitely more important than just the calculation. So do you really know what your cost of capital is? And who should know? Well, if your board and owners don't know what the cost of capital is of your business, you're effectively flying blind. It's like cost accounting. If you're selling something for $12, but it costs you $16, that's not a good thing, is it? So a cost of capital is a similar principle. We talk about how to use it, how to calculate it, and how to use it the right way. And I think you'll find it really fun and enjoyable. I dig it, because then again, I am who I am. Again, I'm Don Minges. Hope to see you at any of my webinars and seminars coming up very soon. Please feel free to reach out to any one of us at the Knowledge Institute, and I'm always available. Thank you.